This is life, and it may have come from nothing but chemistry. This idea is known as abiogenesis. Abiogenesis is the idea that life started naturally from simple chemistry. It says that under the right conditions, non-living molecules turned into the first living cells. It's not science fiction, it's science in progress. Let's go back for billion years. Earth was hot, full of volcanoes, lightning, and toxic gases like methane and ammonia. But in this chaos, the oceans became a chemical soup full of potential. In the 1950s, the famous Miller-Urey experiment recreated these ancient conditions in a lab. And guess what? After just a week, amino acids, the building blocks of life, had formed. Life's ingredients can appear naturally. Over time, these amino acids and other molecules may have joined together, forming proteins, RNA, and protocells, tiny bubbles that acted like simple cells. Some could grow, some could split, some even stored genetic information. It was the first step in evolution. We haven't created life from scratch in a lab yet, but many pieces of the puzzle have been found. Abiogenesis is still the most accepted scientific explanation for life's origin. So no, life didn't come from nothing. It came from chemistry, from the laws of nature. From molecules to microbes to us. That's abiogenesis. Thanks for watching. Please join as a member to support this channel.